Hey guys, what's up? Come with me, let's make the best banana bread in the whole wide world. Yes, I said it, the best banana bread in the whole wide world. As you can see my banana, you see how they are brownish? They look like they're spoiling? They're not. Trust me, those are the best banana to make the very best banana bread. So if you have some bananas that are going bad, don't toss them. Save them because those bad boys will give you the world's best banana bread, especially if you try it with my recipe. I'm telling you, you're not going to go wrong with that. Your family will love, love, love that banana bread. So, next time you go to the store, buy some banana, and you leave them on your counter, they are overripe, don't toss them. Don't toss them at all. Keep them. Put them in the fridge like I did. And then when you have the time, take them out and whip you up those banana breads. I am telling you, you will not go wrong with that, especially if you try my recipe, okay? If you want my recipe, comment below and add it to I'll add it to this video, okay? So you can have it and you can look back at it and make your own. But, you know, I usually use 3 to 4, 5, whatever ripe banana I have. That's what I'll use. Usually, I'll say for the recipe sake, so you can get it right and you can make the world best banana bread like I do all the time. Use 4 overripe banana bread, okay? 1/4 cup brown sugar. Make sure when you use your brown sugar, you get all the air out. Tie it as tight as possible because if not, any air that you leave inside of it, it's gonna make your sugar go hard. I don't like hard sugar. I don't want to work with hard sugar. I don't want to have to put it in the microwave. So I make sure I get all my air out. Okay. And then after you add your sugar, you add a whole stick of butter and then your vanilla, okay? Um Measure with your heart. Don't worry about having too much because you can never have too much vanilla. And cinnamon, oh, please make sure you add a generous amount. Let me tell you, when that banana bread is baking and you have enough cinnamon in there, your house will smell amazing. So please don't be stingy with the cinnamon. Add generous amount. Now go ahead and mix that bad boy up. Mix it up until everything is mixed well together. Now you add 2 eggs, okay? Make sure you do it in a separate bowl because in case you have some shells in there, you can easily take them out. But if you put it into your mixture already, it's kind of hard. So I always make sure I use a separate bowl. It's not required, it's just I recommend it for best practices, okay? It saves you the headache. If you do have that shell in there, you don't have to worry about, getting into all the mixture. So, with that being said, you do 1 table of baking powder and 1 table of baking soda and a hint of salt. Okay, you need that salt to bring out that flavor. When I am doing my baking powder and my baking soda, I always I sift them out because I don't want no big clumps hiding in there. So I always try to sift it out to make sure I get whatever that is hiding. And when you sift it out, it becomes a little bit easier to mix too. So go ahead and do that. Again, it's not required, but I will recommend it. Being that I've been baking and cooking forever, trust me, you're gonna want to take that from me. Take that. That's a free game right there. I'm putting you on. It will come in handy. If not with one recipe, but with the other. Okay, so use it. So once I do that, I get my spatula and I just go ahead and mix until everything is mixed together. Then for the flour, you want to use 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm not saying that you can't use other kind of flour like bread flour. I'm just saying for me, I use all-purpose flour. I've never tried it with bread flour. You know what? Now I have an idea. Maybe, just maybe, I will go ahead and try that with bread flour. The next time I have banana, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to try it with bread flour and I'll let you guys know how it comes out, okay? But I know it's going to come out good because, girl, this is the best banana bread recipe in the whole wide world. So trust me when I say it's going to come out good. Oh, and also for the sugar, I do 1/4 cup of brown sugar, but you can do push it to half a cup. If you want it to be sweeter, you can do 1/2 of a cup, okay? But I'm trying, your girl's trying to lose some weight, cut down on sugar, and look good for the summer. So I did 1/4 cup, but a half a cup is not bad, okay? Once in a while, when I call it my cheat day, I go ahead and do the half a cup. But right now, for this recipe right here, it's 1/4 cup, okay? So depending on how sweet you want it, you can even add more than half a cup, okay? But watch out for the sugar. We're trying to look good for the summer. I know. So just cut down a little bit, cut down a little bit, okay? Mix that bad boy up. Mix it until everything is mixed, okay? Mix, mix, mix. I know it's a lot of mixing, but girl, you're not gonna regret it. Once that comes out of the oven, trust me, all that mixing is gonna be worth it. So go ahead, mix, mix, mix. I'm gonna let you wash it for a little bit because I'm tired of telling you what to do. I'm not anybody's mama here. I'm just trying to be nice to put you on a game for the best bread recipe. But, I'm going to shut up now and let you watch. Don't be questioning that. That's part of the ripe banana. I don't like the banana rope in there. So, yeah, I'm taking that out. So now you get your pan that you're going to bake it in and make sure you get butter and rub it in that bad boy because you don't want your banana bread to stick. There's nothing worse than having go through all that work and then your banana bread sticks down on that pan, and I don't want that. So I am going to season my baking pan real good, real good. Don't overdo the butter because remember you already had 1 stick of butter into the mixture, okay? Just make it enough so that you can get your banana bread out very easy, okay? Okay, now pour all that. Look at that. Oh, look at that goodness right there. Oh, God. I can't wait to try this. Oof, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That beauty. Trust me, yours would taste just as good. Just follow my recipe. Follow my recipe. I'm not responsible for you trying other recipe. So don't go try other recipe and tell me, oh, my banana bread did not come out good. Try my recipe. Every single time it will come out. It will come out, oh, so amazing. Your family, this will be your family go-to. Okay, they will be asking you to make every time you go to the store and buy banana. They're gonna ask you, "Can you make banana bread? Can you make banana bread?" Because that's what's happening to me. So now I try not to buy banana because I don't want to have to go through making banana bread again because I told you your girl's trying to lose weight for the summer. Ooh, so I gotta stay away from that sugar. Try to work on my big back. Okay, just shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it so that it can be even out. Shake it, shake it, shake it, and make sure your oven is set. I set my oven to 375 degrees, okay? 375 degrees, and I leave that bad boy in there for about 45 minutes to 50 minutes. Okay, that's what I do. And now look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Also, when you do bake your banana bread, just because the top looks like it's done does not mean that it's done. Get you a stick and poke it in the middle. Okay, poke it in the middle, pick it up and see if it's dry, then your banana bread is ready. But if it's not, then you got to leave it there for a little bit. But you need to do that. You cannot skip that step because the top of the banana bread will fool you. Oh, look at that. You see how it came out so good? No work. So easy. Look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Time to cut and let's see. Remember what I told you about sticking a stick in the middle to make sure your banana bread is cooked all the way? This is the reason why. Wait, just look. Look at that. Look at that. Look at, oh my God, look at that. That is so beautiful. That is beautiful. Soft, so yummy. See you on the next one.